Hi, I'm Marisa. Welcome to Montasaurus Park virtually, and today we will be learning about how Moses flees and how God calls to Moses. And our objective is that you will learn that God loves you and has a purpose for you in your life. Our memory verse for today is Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good, his love endures forever, Psalm 107:1. And today we will be making a dinosaur lantern. You will need a tea light candle, double-sided tape, scissors, a glue stick, tissue paper, a wire tool, any size box, and then you're going to have your adult print out 2 flames and then 2 dinosaur heads and tails. Okay, and then you're going to have an adult help you, but you're going to take your box and take the lid of it and have your wire tool and have your adult make little holes inside the box so you can fit the wire tool through. Okay. And then you're going to take your tissue paper and make sure it's to size because you're going to add the flame right in front and cut it in half. All right, and you can take some glue and glue the outside of the tissue. And you're going to place it right over your flame. So this is what the back will look like, where you just glued it on, and then this is the front. You're going to do the same thing to the other flame. same thing again, you're going to glue the outside edge of the tissue. So then again, the back will look like this, and then this is the front. Right, and then you're going to take your box and your flames, and you're going to add double-sided tape. So you take a pretty decent sized strip so you can cover the whole thing. And then you're just going to place it on this side. Right, then you're going to place the back of the flame facing this way towards myself. And then you're going to press. Make sure it stays just like that. Then you're going to do the same thing with the other flame. Take some more tape. And you're going to take the lid of your box and add tape to the sides here and here. Right, and this is the side with tape. I'm going to stick it onto the top part of the flame. Awesome. And then you're going to take your dinosaur. Oh, and I'm going to put a little eye on it and a little smile, so he looks all happy. You're going to put a little bit glue on the back side of the smile, right at the neck. You're going to take it and place it right inside. You're going to take your other dinosaur and glue the front side of it right where the smile is. You're going to paste it right on the inside on the flame. And then same idea with his tail. I'm going to put some glue on the edge right at the bottom here. and glue it on the inside. Do the same thing with the other one. All right, and then you're going to take your little candle and place it inside, and then you made a dino lantern.